Hi guys, I'm Crystal Salamon, and today we're going to talk about coloring shirts. I'm going to tell you about why they're awesome, what you should use to color them with. Oh, and I'll give you some cool coloring tips. So we'll talk about blending and how to get that rich color. And also I'll show you how to make these cool background kind of effects too, which is surprisingly easy. All you need is your special markers and some water. So I'll demo some of that for you. And then I'll also tell you about how you should wash them and what you should do before you wash them, just to help stop the colors from running and to help the colors last longer. So let's dive in. Let's check it out. What's a coloring shirt? So I have a whole bunch of different designs. I don't keep adult sizes in stock, so you do need to pre-order those through my website online. But I do have some kids' shirts in stock, and then of course you can order your own sizes through the pre-orders. If there's something that you would really love to have, let me know and I'll try to make them for you. But here's an example of one that I'm working on. Cool, right? I'll show you how to do this. So yeah, they come packaged like this right now. And I like to stick them down onto cardboard. I call it the wiggle stopper. So when you open your shirt, you're going to notice this sticker here. And that sticker says, "Stop! Don't open your shirt." Why? Because you want to keep it like this while you're coloring. I made it like this specifically so that it's really easy for you. It's stuck down to cardboard so it won't wiggle around. And then you don't have to worry about the color bleeding through because it just goes on to the cardboard. So super easy. Just leave it like this, right? Just like a coloring page. Except the coolest thing about coloring shirts is you get to wear your art after, right? It's pretty unusual to be able to color on your clothes or to make art and be able to wear it around too, right? It's pretty fun. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. I also really like that with the coloring on shirts, it's a lot easier to blend. Well, it's different than blending on paper, so it's kind of fun to play around with, and I have a feeling you're going to really enjoy it. So this is part of why I want to show you these tips so that you can have as much fun as possible with your coloring shirts.